Sairam. Welcome to eHub at Ashwini. It's pleasure to have you, Sairam.
Thank you, ma'am. Same here.
I just asked for your interaction so that you can give some inputs for the civil engineers who are aspiring for a job. Your career, how did you get placed? All those inputs are going to help the job seekers.
Right now, I'm doing as a BIM engineer, ma'am. Tesla outsourcing services in Ahmedabad. My job role, which consists of roles and responsibilities of designing, planning, and preparing the construction drawings, all the design activities. So, first of all, I wish to have a students like that. First, fix up in which path you are going to choose. Whether you are in civil, there is only two paths. One,
Yes.
you are going for a site execution, or you will become a designer. Whether it
Yes.
may be architectural, structural, or whatever it may be. First, fix to this because both are different sectors. How I came to the job means initially I started my career as a trainer. I have worked under the National Skill Development Corporation. There is, I used to give a training to the students in civil software. Because why I haven't gone to trainer means at the time when I came out of the BTech, I know the software, but the technology and the methods which are completely from what we studied in the economics. So I needed time. I needed time to become a immediate to pro in that software. So I chosen the job there while I'm training the students and I'm practicing internally law and order. Well, when the time came, I'm okay with my things and I started work giving interviews. Uh, Basically, many people don't aware about this design job. First, I suggest to students that first you fix up what you want to, whether you want to be a site executor or you want a designer. Because if you want a designer, it's completely with the mental ability. You have to sit up for 8 to 10 hours and you have to work with the mentally. Because what we say reliability, if you make a mistake in our sector, it's very hard to retrieve it. But in other sectors, it's somewhat more. If a code crash, it will take some time to have a backup like that. But we have to give 100% productivity here. And site is somewhat about it's something about management the resources, manpower, all that. First, fix up with this, and I am going to brief about how to become an architect or designer because currently I'm working in this. Because why I prefer this job, why I choose this job means it's somewhat free and we can work in a good environment. So everyone will see the civil engineer like that. You will have what we have. We have a cement and sand. We have to stand in a sun like that. But it's
Yes.
completely different. It's the design forms and architectural forms which are equal to the CSE forms and more than the CSE forms. And we will have 5 days of work in a week, and we will do the lot many overseas projects. We will have a good knowledge and a good job and a safe side. We are in a safe side. But inside, sometimes we may go to Jammu Kashmir, we may go to Kanyakumari. It's not in our hands. We have
Okay.
to go to different places. So I choose this job. Actually, this job requires a technical knowledge addition with a software knowledge. So software in the sense I say the tool, what the tool use. Eventually, I use Revit tool. Someone else ArchiCAD, someone else different. What I'm suggesting students is try to fix up what you want. First, you want to be architect or a structural engineer or a transportation planner. What it just go through the software, learn the basics, and apply the same concept what you study in your class. Same concept apply in your software as a testimony. Try a testimony and compare the results like that. You can do the practice. Many students will ask how to get the softwares, how we have to learn like that. There
So
are
now,
many institutions, yeah, many institutions will take thousands money and they will training. I suggest students no one go to institute
no need to
because
go.
there no need to go institute. I suggest not to go, ma'am, because
Okay.
they just know the tool, don't know how to implement a project in it. Rather than many companies, Revit is the authorized company of Autodesk. Stratford is Orders company of Bentley. Just go to their website, click watch and learn option. There the company trainers and the company officials will give you the training free of cost. They will have a bunch of videos. Just learn, just download the free trial version, see the video, practice the testimonial as this. Then you can try with a different ways. Then you can get the real-time working experience of the tool. Just learning tool is not enough. And try to do that, ma'am. And try to build your own LinkedIn profile while you're studying. And you can follow whatever the profession guys were doing. You want to follow structural engineers or a site engineers or a big engineers, whatever it may be. Just have a connection with them, take the suggestions, they will give the suggestion. If there is any recruitment in their company, they will suggest us. So these things will be gone in a LinkedIn, which LinkedIn is a parallel Facebook, what say. In short, we will say professional Facebook, because we have only useful stuff.
So, what is the recruitment process, Sairam? In your company, what is the recruitment process?
Recruitment process in the sense, ma'am, we can have, especially first we will check the ability of tool handling.
Okay.
Just the starting level is enough. Just awareness of the software. Basic level is too enough. And we will have a small technical round and then HR round. For that, for some companies, ma'am, for especially they will give the training. If you don't know the software also, they will give the training, especially for Tekla and SGS software. They will give the training and they will take the bond. Many companies will won't take the bond, especially the companies from our Hyderabad side and Bangalore side, they will take the bond.
Okay, what is your suggestion regarding this bond? Is it good, or is it good for the students to sign a bond priorly for 2 years? Because majority of companies are asking for bond, and the students get scared. I too come across few students asking me, ma'am, bond antunaru, sign cheyacha, cheyakudada ani. So what do you say about that?
If you are interested with the core job, if you are willing to do a core job, sign by closing your eyes. I simply suggest that, because if you have a zeal to do a core job, you doesn't know the tool. Someone is calling and he is saying that he will train and he is giving job. What else we want, man? The main reason behind the bond is nothing, man. We are taking a scratch, that means a raw material to the floor. We have to give the training from basic to how he can handle a project.
Okay.
For the 6 months, the company is paying a salary, whether it may be a small amount or what it's amount, it's paying a salary. It is a total investment on you. It will take some more time to become a ring player in the floor. And then eventually you will get a 1 year experience. From after 1 year, the company is taking revenue from you. Just say they are just taking the investment with addition to somewhat. What we else want now? Nowadays, everyone is asking for experience. If you got a chance as a fresher, if you are interested in a core, then you can definitely take a bond. They won't harass you and they won't make any such kind of things. Bond is security, ma'am. We give training after training you may left. What is the loss? It's a loss of our time. A senior person has to train. I am losing my time, company's amount. So that's why every company is asking for a bond. It's a very small thing, ma'am, we can have. Before that, I want to deal about the pay scale, all things. I want to clarify a doubt that many people will think now that, bro, you got a job in company. Is there many jobs we are doing? Like there are many students are coming on. Many countries like UK, US, Europe, Australia, they are hiring engineers from here. They are establishing branches and they are doing work here, because the only reason, rupees is somewhat smaller than dollars, because every country is looking after India to take their works from many designs, even the big tunnels and road designs are taking from the India. So there is a wide openings of the companies, and there are many opportunities. Even many companies are willing to take up freshers. So what my suggestion is, try to learn the software's value. We are in the BTech. Don't time pass the BTech. After come, you can take an Ameripet coaching. It's not at all a work. It's nothing but a time waste. And if you have a time gap between when you pass out to the job, if you have 6 months, means definitely HR will ask a question: what you did in 6 months. For that, you need to have a good answer. So try to what we say, get ready when you are in a photo. And I will suggest to attend the campus interviews, what it may be, whether it may be a BPO or RPO, whatever it may be. Just attend and gain the experience. Then you will have experience to how to approach another interviews. Then you can easily get qualified. So this is the thing, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, what is your final suggestion for your juniors or the job seekers in the stream of civil? What is your
Yeah.
final suggestion?
Final suggestion means, ma'am, I'm suggest anybody to become in a design set, because maybe in future no one will work on a site, because right now it's going on a foreign. We are making a ready-made precast things. We are just erecting with the technical cranes, and we are inspection with the drones, because every country is having a labor problem. We are not find that much of labor to work inside. Usually in US and UK. Maybe the thing will come for after 5 years in India also. So everything is getting automized. Even everything is getting automized. So try to come into design field. The doors are always open for the companies. And for my juniors, what I said is, try to don't study the subject, learn the subject, implement in a different way. Use the software, compare your manual results and compare your design results. Try to approach the fellows in LinkedIn, and try to have your own testimonials and take a good decisions from others. And for the job seekers, I suggest previously, if you wanna come to this side, just go through the website what we want to become in particular software. Try to have the whole sessions in what we say, watch and learn. There is an option called watch and learn. Just go through it. Just go to testimonials. You can search in a YouTube also. We will have a different mock sessions of interviews for these preparation. Try to follow that. And I say, don't approach any consultancies or like that. And before how you want to search the job, that's the main thing. Apart from placements, how to search jobs. One is, I refer, one is Indeed. Indeed, make your resume in a professional way. Please update it and update your skills. Then you will receive many calls from them. Second one is Naukri, Shine. And you can search for LinkedIn also. And main thing is, go to company website, go to career option, search if there is any position for us and if there is any openings. Like that, while you're studying in the BTech freshers, I'm mainly focusing on it. List out the companies, watch their blog regularly, where there are the openings, is there any internship availability or there. Try to make, and I'm giving a small suggestion, ma'am. Come out of the college with at least one offer letter. At least one, whatever it was.
Once you have an offer letter in your hand, really it gives a lot of confidence to the student. Later on, he or she can explore. They can search for options. Yes.
Yeah. Right now,
And
I also said,
what about the language? Does your communication, especially in English, is going to help you?
yeah, ma'am. Without English, we can't survive in this industry because we daily have to communicate with the clients. Even a small mistake, communication which goes to a misunderstanding, it will go somewhere. Sorry, friends, for entering into design, you have definitely want to be a not intermediate in communication. You want to be a pro in communication. Even I am learning different languages now. I am learning Dutch now because my project was goals on Dutch.
Oh,
But that for understanding Dutch also, English is a medium for us.
yes.
So English is very important because you're virtually working with the foreigners. So they doesn't know our local language. So English is the best medium. if you make a simple mistakes in a communication also, which leads what we see. It's not errors; it will become a blunders. Yeah, that's it, ma'am.
Okay, Saira. Thank you for your interaction. You have given complete details. I
Yeah,
hope this
ma'am.
interaction is going to help the eHub viewers to for
Yeah,
the better
ma'am.
placement.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm hoping so because many of my juniors call me, bro. Is there any vacancy? What I have to do, bro? BTech completed, bro. Why I tell everyone who is all the years, just follow these tools. So you are having a resources until you are be in your college. After that, you are a single person in a desert. There is no a compass. I will simply say this, ma'am. What I believe, uh, college is like a sea. Teachers is like a compass. They will show a right direction. What we have to do means just follow the directions and just follow what they say. So that thing, I hope this will useful to us. Thank you very much, ma'am. Because even I am going to many colleges, I am giving the sessions. It is not getting that much reach. I hope this will become a big reach. Thanks you so much.
It's
Thank you
really,
so much.
I'm glad to be your teacher. It's really, I'm very happy to listen from my student in such a manner. It shows that you are grown up, you are having the commitment, how strong you are. Yeah, good. Nice to listen from you all those words.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Bye.
Okay.